One game down, 5 games to go dito po sa ating Delta Cup. Magandang umaga muli, my name is Ryan Parl. And of course, sa mga katutunin lang dito sa ating Delta Cup 6th playing day. Kanina nagtapos sa first game natin, Mexico winning 108-56. Aaron Santos was the best player there. 14 points ang kanyang nakuha. Sa ating second game na, ang ating featured games gonna be BACOLOR versus APALIT. So another marquee matchup that we're gonna have because ang makikita natin dito, both of them are quite on a losing streak pero gusto nila makabawi and want to start 2024 on a high note. In a very short while, ipapakita natin sa ating camera ating mga focus players for both squads. As we take a look at this, one focus player na ating ipapakita sa ating screen ay itong player na ito sa APALIT. But first, we can see now on your screens the coaching staff of APALIT. And of course, that is the head coach of APALIT, which is Zaldi Messina. That's Zaldi Messina. And of course, isa pang kailangan natin makita dito para sa APALIT is that nagkukulang sila lagi down the stretch. Fourth quarter has not been the best quarter for them. But one focus player that I want to point out is this guy Santos. The last game, he scored 10 points and 5 assists. Gusto pa niya maka-contribute pa, not only him, but also for other players kasi napaka-importante dito sa BACOLOR ay maka-alagwa sila sa team standing, huwag sila mabaon ng gusto. One thing for sure para kay Santos na nakikita ko sa kanyang mga stats is that he is a good hustle guy, easy to learn, at lagi siya nakikinig sa coaching staff ano mga in-game adjustments ang kanyang kailangan gawin. Now let's go over to the other side sa ating focus player for APALIT. But first, we want to make sure na mahaba-haba pa ang ating lalakbayin sa ating mga games because this is just our 6th playing day for the Delta Cup and we still have a lot. We have a total of 18 more plus or probably 15 to 18 more elimination games before we headed to the playoffs. All right, it's going to be BACOLOR versus APALIT in just a few minutes. Okay mga kaibigan, nagkaroon lang tayo ng konting delay kasi yung isang goal support natin, yung kanyang parang support foam, medyo natanggal sa side ng winning team kanina ng Mexico. So inayos yan ni Engineer Alan at sa mga technicians dito sa BREN Convention Center, and we're just moments away to start this second game of 6 ng ating Delta Cup. Ating starting lineup for BACOLOR, we have Santos, Mamuco, De La Cruz, Manese, and Manluta. And for APALIT, we have Edmar Dizon, Yuri Masibak, Isaac Danting, Ken Bontalvo, and Christian Silvestre. Our referees for our second game: Martin Escalambre, Noel Menchero, Danilo Pimentel. So yan ang mga pipito sa ating larong ito. APALIT wearing in orange, BACOLOR wearing in white and green trim. So tingnan natin kung makakapungos dito ng panalo. Nanalo na kanina Mexico, who will join on the winning column for their very first week of Delta Cup this 2024. This is already our 6th playing day. And we are underway. It's APALIT versus BACOLOR as we see the attack inside the lane. Wala. Rebound controlled. Gipit sa ilalim. Ayaw para kay Silvestre. And BACOLOR nga may tangan ng bola. Santos magtitimon to settle down hardcore offense for BACOLOR. De La Cruz 3-point shot. Wala. Behind the rebound is Danting. From the corner, triple V. Kapos para kay Yuri Masibak. So Zinch Ostagan, wala pa rin nakaka-score sa ating first quarter. De La Cruz binti sa kanyang tibay. Ooh! Grabe yung balyad sa ilalim. It's going to be a loose ball foul against Santos. Will be his first personal. Wala pa po nakaka-score dito sa ating first quarter. Dizon, ikot ang bola. 50 to shoot. 12 on the shot clock. Dizon attacks. Banging bodies. Foul. Ang BACOLOR. That's number 61 player. We'll check his name. That's Manlutak. Will be his first personal. So 2 early fouls for BACOLOR this quarter. Ito na ang atake ng APALIT from the baseline. Silvestre. Fourth shoot. Ready to put it up. 1 second on the shot clock. In time! In time! Just in time for Silvestre to score. He beat the shot clock buzzer. 16 sa shot clock. 2-0, 3-point shot. Ay, ito na naman ang kiskisan sa ilalim. And that's gonna be a foul. Foul on Montalvo. So, first personal yan. First team foul for our APALIT. So, this is a direct contrast from the last game. Kung sa last game, mabilis ang laban ngayon, we can expect a little bit slow dahil sa mga pwestuhan sa ilalim, maraming girian ang nakikita natin. Mas brusko itong mga dalawang kupunan na ito. Manglunan, 3 ball. Yes. BACOLOR is on the board. 3-2 is our tally. 2 minutes gone by first quarter. Here's the drive. The turnaround. Got it to go. Nice shot by Edmar Dizon. 4-3 APALIT. The drop. De La Cruz can't consummate. Rebound. Grappling for it. At nakuha ni Montalvo ang bola. Dizon nagbababa para sa APALIT. There's a pick by Silvestre. Illegal screen. And Silvestre will be called for the offensive foul. Pressure from the backcourt. BACOLOR breaks the press. De La Cruz open 3 from the corner. Short. Manlota keeps it alive. The runner banks it in. 5-4, 7.5 first quarter basketball action. Coming to you live from the GUIAO Convention Center in Pampanga. Opposed to Paro. Game 2 of 6, block shot, but there's a foul before that. That's a foul on Manlutak. It's already the 13th foul. Or check that, second team foul for BACOLOR. Is that a non-shooting foul? Or was... Oh my! Look at that. A player from BACOLOR has an injury. That's number 24 ng BACOLOR. Meron siyang dugo sa kamay. Ooh, that's huge. We're going to take a closer look at that injury on his left hand. It's bleeding. It's a bad bleeding on his hand. And also on the nose. And medyo this is a bit of concern for Team BACOLOR as one player is going to be resting for a while. Ito yung resulta ng mga girian sa ilalim, yung mga excessive elbow. But of course, Direk, can we review the last bit of action in slow-mo? Yung mga 7:40 mark from that low post play. Our referee's gonna check from that last play. Direk, can we have a replay for this? Let's take a look at this closer look. Let's take a replay from the last offensive thrust. Okay, here's the low post. There, it's a elbow. Okay, let's take a look at the closer. Slow down more, Direk. Slow down. What will be the decision of the referees? The range decision. Okay, one more time, Direk. One more time. Pero this time on the top view camera. Let's take a closer look. Pero i-slow natin. Same play, top view camera. Slow natin. Slow it down. Yeah, slow down natin. Here's the low post play. Ganyan speed lang. Sige. Okay. So, thank you. Alright, so the referees has already decided. And ayan, tinan natin sa isang pang-anggulo. Nangyaring kinian ni Silvestre. Player who got injured. Oh, elbow. Referee Martin Escalambre, our crew chief, will decide what will be the outcome of that last bit of action that we see in slow-mo. Kinakausap na ni Danilo Pimentel yung hatol ng ating referees sa instansya na yun. So we're just early in the first quarter. Girian na kagad, Direk, ha? Okay, i-handle muna ni crew chief Martin Escalambre yung mga coaches para i-explain sa kanila yung huling nangyari sa low post play ni Silvestre na ikinasugat ng isang player ng BACOLOR, that's jersey number 20. Ngayon inattend siya ng ating mga medics. So this is like a somewhat of an excessive elbow, but it's really non-intentional. Just that he wants to protect himself when he drives, but unfortunately it hit on the nose, right on the nose of the opponent. So tayo natin yung hatol ng ating referees. They already decided, but they're gonna signal what will be the outcome. All right. Okay, they upgraded the foul of Silvestre to unsportsmanlike foul, criteria 2 for the excessive hard contact. Pangalawang personal na si Silvestre, and he needs to sit at the bench for 3 playing minutes because of that infraction. So upo muna si Silvestre ng 3 minuto to cool off his heels with that unsportsmanlike foul. So it will be free throws. Yung number 20 player na upo muna, merong isa substitute na player siya, titira ng free throw plus ball possession para sa BACOLOR. meron tayong foul muna. Okay, may foul muna. And then we'll have odds po. Alright. So sabi na referee, meron dung sa swing of elbow, may drive, may foul. So Silvestre will shoot 2 free throws and then you will take the rest. Silvestre misses both. Now, it's BACOLOR. Will shoot 2 free throws. Silvestre will take a rest. And the substitute player, in place of an injured player, will shoot 2 free throws and BACOLOR will get the ball possession. So ganun po yung magiging outcome. Okay, nag-report na siya sa bench. So 2 free throws siya yung pinalit. First free throw is good. Physical ang ating first quarter. The score is 6-4, BACOLOR, 2-point lead. And still a 2-point lead now. The possession for BACOLOR, they have 14 seconds on the shot clock. Okay, ayusin nila yung shot clock. Okay, they're gonna stay at 11. Okay, they will stay at 11 seconds. Oh, 14. Say 14. Pangilinan, tumina na 3. Hindi pumasok. Offensive rebound for BACOLOR. Pangilinan will try again. In and out. Oh, look at that. Very early, we see a lot of fouls. Direct contrast from the last game. Foul against Montalvo. Fresh 14 now for BACOLOR. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Yung giraan. Off the rebound play. Ayun. Loose ball foul. Makita yan direct sa top view camera. Makita yan sa top view camera. Substitution po para sa APALIT. Upo po na si Montalvo. Here we go. Half court inbound for BACOLOR. Pangilinan. Maglutak. Back to Pangilinan. Will drive. Back to Manlutak. Right wing. Jumper is no good. Ball is loose. Manlutak saves it. To the wrong party. Makapagal has it. And here's APALIT on the offensive. Shovel pass right down the baseline. And one. Basket there by Isaac Danting. From a great pass. 3-point opportunity for Isaac Danting. Kaplan tayo sa 6. Short. Referee's now tightening up. It's going to be a foul on Pangilinan. That will be his first personal. And BACOLOR now has 14 fouls. Or penalty na ba? Penalty na ang BACOLOR. Sabihin, free throws tayo at 6:43. Direk, ang haba natin first quarter, puro fouls. It's going to be a long first quarter, ladies and gentlemen. Free throw made by Yuri Masibak. 7-6 APALIT. Short. Lane violation. Oh, it's a free throw violation. Pati ko nga pala ang buting may asawa ni Ryan Cabalinsa, si Monina. She's in attendance. She had a great party last time. She got the jackpot of 5,000 sa party nila. Enjoy na enjoy si Ryan Cabalinsa in Monina. Hard-working guys there sa Sinang Ligasa. He's now representing SLA at this moment. Pangilinan 3-ball. Got it to go! At 2 puntos ang abante ng BACOLOR. 9-7. 6 minutes remaining in the first. Screen wall play. Makapagal. Can't shoot. 8 on the shot clock. Here's the drive by Yuri. Wala. Put back inside the paint. Ayaw pa rin para kay John Paul Maglalang. And here comes Maglutak. BACOLOR on the run. Drops it up to Santos. The focus player scored a basket. 11-7. So despite all of those physicalities, BACOLOR still ahead by 4. 5:27 in the first. Top angle, top shot missed by Isaac Danting. The put back inside the paint still won't work. BACOLOR naman, hinarang ni Edmar Dizon. Not a good foul to give. Penalty na po. Both teams in penalty. What? Wala pa tayong 5 minutes sa first quarter. Parehong penalty. Mamaya-maya po sa ating halftime, we will give some greetings sa mga nanonood natin sa Facebook. By the way, live po tayo sa Facebook ng Pampanga Information Office. And of course, this league is powered by Sinag Liga Asia. Langlutak making the first of 2. The lead of BACOLOR is 5. 12-7. Time remaining is 5 and 15. We have a double lane violation, a jump ball. Where will be the possession now? It will retain on BACOLOR. Do we have a timeout? Okay, we have a timeout by APALIT. With 5:15 remaining, we'll be right back for Delta Cup. Back to live action. (12-7) is our tally, and BACOLOR up by 5. So let's see what will be the response of APALIT. They're still trading by 5 points. 40 to shoot. That's Lendel Garcia from the corner. Lost it. He lost it. Ito kailangan ayusin dito ng APALIT yung kanilang turnovers. Minsan pag nagtatrap ang kanilang katunggali, nagawa nila bola. But that time it's the other way around. They just steal the ball and get it to go. Yuri Basiba scores the 9 point for APALIT. It is now 9-12. 4-41 in the first. Shovel pass. 3-point shot on its way. Rattles in. Instant offense for the big guy. That's Pangilinan. 59. Lead is 6. 4:22. Crossover moves there by Yuri. It's not a foul or 3-point shot. Nako. It is. Lapina was called for a foul. So 3 free throws na ibibigay para kay Lendel Garcia. Mabigat ito para sa APALIT. They're still trailing by 6. 15-9. 4-14 remaining. Or 4-15 remaining sa ating first quarter. Again, don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube, for our Facebook channels of Delta Cup, Pampanga Information Office, and Sinag Liga Asia. And also, we're live on YouTube as well. At tingnan nyo lang sa Sinag Liga Asia. Kanina in-announce ko yung mga quarterfinal pairings mamaya sa Sinag Liga Asia Lakas 40. Speaking of the commission, batiin ko lang ating Commissioner Rodney Santos, who will be in attendance on that game at Cainta later on. First quarter action, 15-11. Nagtatrap dito ang APALIT. BACOLOR breaks the press. Manlutak, double team. Ball tap out. And substitution now for BACOLOR. Shuffling their men. Apat lang abante. Eto, nakita mo, oh, gira na naman, oh. Gira na naman sa low post. Look at that. Look at the elbows flying here. Manlutak from the right wing. Pangilinan, they swing it over. 3-point shot, left quarter court. Got it to go. Second in a row for Pangilinan. There are two Pangilinans. Pangilinan brothers, actually. Here's Isaac Danting missing. At ito na ang BACOLOR. They're up by 7. Manlutak right down the baseline. Nothing there. Maglalang keeps it alive for the orange shirts of APALIT. 3:27 sa ating first quarter. They're swinging around on the left wing. Inside track of the basket. That is good for John Paul Maglalang. JP. Nako, foul na naman from the backcourt. Another 2 free throws on the offended party. Yuri Masibak will be his second personal foul. So both teams, napaaga sa penalty, coach. Wala pang 5 minutes pa yung penalty. Long first quarter. And it's gonna be free throws now for Manlutak. So dito matetest ng free throw accuracy because of this bruising physical encounter early in this first quarter. Both teams nagpalakas sila ng katawan para sa mga ganitong laban, lalo na medyo pagdating ng Pebrero na mangangalahati na tayo sa ating elimination round. So we expect the games here in Delta Cup will be tougher and tougher. Okay, we're down to the 3-minute mark. Sa ating first quarter, the score 20-13. Lamang po dito ang BACOLOR. We're down to 10 seconds on the shot clock. And a 3-point shot converted by Carl Kamaya. Surprise hit yun. Baseline drive. Naantala pero may foul. Ang matatawagan ng foul ay si JP Maglalang. First personal. So every foul on both teams will be free throws for the offended party. Take a look at this. The drive, the bump, and the foul. So ito kaliwete ito. Kung si Pangilinan. So meron tayong kaliwete na big guy at meron tayong big guy din na shooter. And the other Pangilinan who has 2 3-point shots converted. This guy, the other Pangilinan, what he scored 4 points and he missed both. And we have a foul given up. So foul matatawagan ay si Isaac Danting. That will be his first personal. Free throws. Wala. Pumasok ang unang tira. It's going to be a slow first quarter. Both teams dropping for form. 21 points now. That's Olieres splitting the charities. With 2:25 remaining. Isaac Danting. Sumagitsit. Humarulot. Foul. Kita mo naman yung biglang buslo. No? Pagkahawak ng bola. Takbo ka agad. Olieres will be called for the foul. That will be his first. Isaac Danting. Ay kaliwete mga player. That time he made sure. Coaching staff natin sa, bangkitin ko lang, coaching staff natin sa APALIT Love It. Si Per Gardiner, Romel Ochenko, Robert Pereira, and Edgar Pingol. They get the ball back, fresh 14 for APALIT. Danting fires, couldn't convert. Almost a steal. Manlutak with the drive inside the paint. It will not work. Meron tayong foul before that. So, si Carl Kamaya ang tinawagan ng foul. So, nako. Ang mga fouls dito, ang BACOLOR meron ng 8. Ang APALIT, 7. Dami. Halos 20 fouls. And we're not yet done in the first quarter. Malutak will try to split. He didn't. Miss ball. Danting rebounds. Brings it up. Para sa APALIT. Approaching the 2-minute mark in the first. JP Maglalang. Ever reliable big guy. Scores underneath. And APALIT just winning 19-21. They want to equalize the count. Hindi pa sila tumatabla sa laban na ito. 2 minutes remaining in the first. 3-point shot, no good. Olieres keeps it alive for the White Shirts. Pangilinan fires in and out from his 3-point attempt. Makapagal pass. Almost wayward. Out of your play. No perfection. Second putback. And that is classic APALIT fast break completion. Spread headed by Khalid Makapagal and BACOLOR Sioux Sport Time. We are tied at 21. Back to live action here in GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga. Prime para sa Delta Cup Game 2 of 6. Doon sa mga hindi nakapanood ng first game, nanalo po ang Mexico laban sa Arayat 108-56. Aaron Santos was the best player of that ball game. Tabla tayo sa 21. We are about approaching the minute mark in this first. Olieres from Tawaribik Key. Almost lost it. Scramble. White shirt still has it. Pangilinan. Ball in between the legs of the other Pangilinan. Turnover. Yung sinasabi ng aking direktor na mabigat sa paa. Alright. A minute and 14 remaining in the first. Here's the 3 ball. Short. It's a miss by Isaac Danting. Both teams in penalty as early as the 5-minute mark. The first quarter. Running shot, wala. Rebound control by Khalid Makapagal. Fast break for APALIT. It won't happen. But the Calder steal it. Danting. 3-point shot left quarter court. Kalkamaya short. 41 seconds na lamang sa ating first quarter. 21 all. The runner. Last shot didn't work. Rebound. Time down to 32 seconds. Here it comes. Crossover by number 18. That's Carl Kamaya. A missed 3 ball. Isaac Danting. Hang time move. Beautiful. That's a highlight. 23-21. Time down to 13 seconds. Counter steal. And a basket there. 7 seconds, 23 all. 5, 4, 3, 2. Last shot time. They need to put it up. He's not away of the clock. That will not count. That will not count. First quarter ends. Tabla tayo sa 23. What has been a physical and later on now an exciting first quarter as we have this highlights for you ready para sa ating viewing pleasure. Yung 3-point shot ng Pangilinan. Uminit siya. Dalawang yung isa Pangilinan. Yung isa pang Pangilinan nakatira 3 set. Ayun. Both of them on left quarter court tweaks. And on the other side, fast break finish. Look at that. Beautiful put back by Makapagal. And this is the highlight. Dipsido. Oy. Saya-saya. Alright. Second quarter coming up. This is Delta Cup. We are tied at 23. BACOLOR and APALIT. Okay, nagbabalik po tayo dito sa BREN Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. Again, mamaya sa ating halftime before we start the third quarter, magkakaroon tayo ng ating portion. Sa mga tumututok sa ating Facebook Live on both PIO, Pampanga Information Office, and Sinag Liga Asia. My name is Juan Paro. Game 2 of 6, BACOLOR and APALIT. Ended the count of 23 as we start the second quarter. Austria, first appearance for him. Shot. No. Shot clock is a problem. Just in time. And it's going to be a blocking foul. So blocking foul on number 1 ng BACOLOR. So ngayon with this unit, we expect a much faster pace. Yung mga maliliksi mga player dito, although may mga malaking mama dito, lalo sa APALIT. Here's the drive by Kent Montalvo. That one, he issued a turnover, fast break, De La Cruz scores, and 1. So capitalizing the turnover of Montalvo, making them pay. Possible 3-point opportunity for De La Cruz. Bonus free throw now. BACOLOR 25, APALIT 23. And De La Cruz takes care of business. 3-point BACOLOR lead. All right, that's Carl Kamaya. Carl drives, dish up. Hook shot, didn't drop. At meron tayong foul. Scoring foul on number 22. Check that, it's number 33, Pangilinan. Corner flip. Nope. And a turnover incurred by Ken Montalvo. Dribbles the ball out of bounds. 2 team fouls na ang BACOLOR, isa pa lamang APALIT. Medyo slow down muna ang BACOLOR dahil nakikita nila medyo maliksi ang kalaban, Pangilinan. So ginawa, left corner 3. That's short. Ito na. Montalvo engineering this fast break. Can't finish. We still get the basketball para sa APALIT. Montalvo bubble up. 10 to shoot. Here it comes. That's Lendon Garcia. Lendo. Illegal pick. That shot will not count. It's going to be an offensive foul on Jos Perez. First appearance for Jos Perez. Here's the drive by De La Cruz. Pinayong and a steal, Montalvo. And Austria was called for a foul. Gusto na sumundot. Back to Harness. Back in Harness is Khaled Macapagal. Once a reliever for APALIT kanina ng first quarter. Ngayon bumalik siya sa second. Still have 16 to shoot. Crossover. 10 on the shot clock. On the baseline. Partially deflected. The orange shirts keep it alive. And here comes the finger wall. Wala pa rin. Diving for the ball. And the shot clock expires because the ball didn't hit iron. So medyo nagkagulo yung opensa ng APALIT. Hindi masyadong na-organize ng husto. Ito sa BACOLOR. De La Cruz for the white wing. Ikot ang bola, top of the key. De La Cruz, right corner 3. Air balls that shot. Ito na si Lionel Garcia. The pass to his teammate. Baseline. Ball's loose. Take it away. La pass. Shot will not work for BACOLOR. Lionel Garcia. It's a foul against BACOLOR. So foul on number 20. So meron tayong substitution sa floor. Puna si Carl Camaya. Lester Garcia. Here's Isaac Dacting. I'm going to be familiar with this guy well enough. Time down to 7 on the shot clock. Shot will work. That's Lendl Garcia. APALIT knocking on the door. 1-point lead for BACOLOR, 26-25. Time down to 6 minutes at 41. Macapagal steals it and completes it. Khaled Macapagal. Six and a half minutes in this second quarter. Baseline by De La Cruz. Spin, stirs, block shot. Great rejection by Macapagal. The lob. And a touchdown by Lendl Garcia. Great catch. 29-26. And from that blitz, a foul given up by APALIT. Ceasefire there. We have a timeout by BACOLOR. We'll be right back. Almost 4 minutes gone by sa ating second quarter. Digita ng laban, 29-26. APALIT up by 3. Medyo may konting uprising ang coaching staff on that last call. But the referee's call stands despite. And here's the white shirts of BACOLOR inbounding. Pangilinan. They're going to settle for a half-court offense. Manese. De La Cruz from the right wing, short on his three-point attempt. Rebound controlled by APALIT. That's John Mirabel. Isaac drives, sidestep. Is that? Oh! That shot will count if he made that. It's going to be a foul against BACOLOR. Austria was the culprit. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Mamukod. First appearance for him. Alright, the referee says the BACOLOR is now on team penalty. So, dalawang free throws dito si very athletic Isaac Dacting. Nice form. Reminds me of Willie Millen. Yung ganyan yung form, yung ganyan release. Makes both. APALIT now on the driver's seat. 5-point inch. 31-26. Approaching the halfway point of the second quarter. 5 minutes and 43. Let's see ano magiging offense dito ng BACOLOR. Mahilig sila sa 3-point shots. And Pangilinan, heat check that time. High on the rebound is Macapagal. Sawing high for it. Ito na si Kent Montalvo. Again, another foul given up. So 2 more free throws will be awarded for APALIT. Here's first free throw is good para kay Kent Montalvo. It's now a 6-point lead. Make that 7. Five and 27. First half basketball action. Pangilinan. Bubble up. Oh! Referee called a foul, and the whole bench can't believe it. It's a foul on Garcia. And referee Martin Escalambre has seen enough. He will be issuing a warning for APALIT for the improper bench decorum. That's exactamente. Ayun, sinabi na nga ni Martin, warning. Ang APALIT, improper bench decorum. (33-26), 3-7. The bench of APALIT needs to keep their cool. Mabokod 3. Wala. Rebound. Fought for it. And that's a John Maribel rebound. Fast break for APALIT. And a conversion by Khaled Macapagal. A little acrobatics on that. The lead for APALIT is 9. 35-26, 4 minutes and 44. Another turnover. Montalvo drives hard to the hole. No. Sayang. Manisi with a pump fake. And a foul by John Mirabel. It's the second personal on John Mirabel. First free throw is good. Para sa BACOLOR. They are trailing now by 8. Unti-unting lumalayo na dito ang APALIT because BACOLOR has incurred 4 turnovers on that stretch. And Manise makes both. (35-28). Turnover. Touch pass. Block! But there's contact, says the ref. It's a foul on Khaled Macapagal. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Here's the touch pass. Here's the foul. Oh, may sabit sa kamay. Good call. 2 free throws now. Manise. Missing. They made 2 earlier. So far, nagiging parang catalyst dito sa APALIT itong si Isaac Dante. Dahil bukod sa kanyang opensa, magaling din dumipensa. Siya yung nakatakip sa mga huling pasa. Tulong-tulong din sila. Hindi lang siya, pati si Montalvo at Macapagal, tulong-tulong sila sa depensa. This time, Macapagal will take a rest. 35-29. Here's the cross. Here's the drive. There's a foul. And Yuri Masibak will take 2. So, Yuri Masibak to charities here. This. Meron pa siyang isa pang free throw to take 2. And he will deliver. 36-29. 4 minutes remaining in the second quarter. As APALIT still up by 7. Maboko double team. Quadruple team. And that will be the rare case of traveling. (36-29). 3 minutes and 47 remaining in the second quarter. Here's the Edmar Dizon. Brings it up for the orange shirts of APALIT. Yuri Masibak. Isaac Dante. Double team. 9 on the shot. The drive, the shot, the conversion by Edmar Dizon. The lead is 9 for APALIT, 38-29, approaching the 3-minute mark sa ating second quarter. From the corner, Pangilinan. Suddenly lost his touch from the three-point region. Chased by Mamutak. Saves it. But they turn the ball over again. Masibak with a steal. The drop pass. Inside incursion. Foul. Ito may mga tulakan sa mga screen, no? Dami makita natin tulakan. That last fast break attempt by APALIT, but it will be a 2 free throw shots for Edmund Dizon. And both teams not shooting well for the free throw line. .38 APALIT. BACOLOR 29. 3 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Game 2 of 6 sa ating Delta Cup. Alright, slow down offense dito ang BACOLOR. Lapira offers a pick. Pick materializes from the rear. Pangilinan turns the ball over again. Bobbled up a bit. Bounce pass. Drives. Partially deflected. Great transition defense by BACOLOR, but Maribel will be called for his third personal foul. John Maribel. And John Maribel will check out at babalik muli si Christian Silvestre, aka the APALIT Wild Thing. Para kamukha niya si Anderson Very Jao. Si Silvestre. Free throws now for Bacolod. It is a lane violation. Lapira entered the shaded lane too soon. Again, batiin ko lang si Moniz. Si Mylin Tibucio. Sawa ni Juan Campalinza. Nandito in attendance. Approaching the 2-minute mark. Oh, Isaac that thing misses. Or was, no, yeah, it's Isaac. Mamukod. 3 ball, Manise, airballs that shot. So, hindi makadikit dito ang BACOLOR. Because APALIT just keep on pressing. Keep on defending, but that time, tight defense being put up by BACOLOR inside. You want to move out, and another shot clock, Montalvo. Lob pass inside, under 2 minutes remaining. Here's Silvestre, nothing. Tatakbo ang BACOLOR. Here's Mamutak. Pangilinan from the corner. Couldn't ring the bell. Put back inside. Beautifully done by Mamukod via a one-handed stick back. 39-32. APALIT up by 7. Minute and a half in the first half. 10 to shoot. Baseline. Hang time. Nothing. Mamukod has no numbers. They're going to settle down for hard-cut offense as we approaching the 1 minute in this first half. The lead is 7 for APALIT. Mamukod is open. Can't bury the tree. Manisi offensive rebound. Pangilinan left quarter court 3. It rattles out. May tira, no? Montalvo. Crossover against 3. Bounce pass inside. Naku, hindi pumasok ang tira ni Yuri Masibak. It's momentarily open. Manise makes them pay with a counter fast break finish. At ngayon, mababa na sa 5. Ang abante na APALIT as we wind down to the 35-second mark. So they're going to play on the last 2 possessions. 2-4-1. And Manise steals it. Double team. Inside, touch pass, Mamutak, inside play, rejected by Danting. Lapira, oh, guys, out of bounds si Malutak. Do we have a timeout? All right, we have a timeout. We'll be right back. We're down to 14.3 seconds at the first half. Last shot time for APALIT. Landel Garcia brings it down. 10 seconds to go. Double screen. We often see that. Baseline drive. Isaac Danting, hang time mode, draws a foul. So it's going to be a foul against Mamutak, number 61. Isaac Danting could have been a steady shooter, but he rims down at his first. Sabihin ko sana no? Pero hindi pumasok yung free throw Second free throw by Danting. 2.9 seconds. Split. (40-34). Here we go. Last shot time. He lets it fly. That should do it. First half draws to a close. 40-34. APALIT up by 6. We're going to have the halftime highlights and also the leading scores and some halftime analysis. Stay tuned for that lookup. We'll be right back. 42-34 ang ating halftime score. APALIT up by 6. Pakita natin mga kaibigan halftime highlights for both squads after 20 minutes of playing time. Take a look at this. Stick back there by Makapagal. And the dipsy-do by Isaac Danting. That's one of the highlights. Hustle. Of course, uminit sa Pangilinan ng first quarter. Pero may natulog siya. That's mabukod. Fast break completion there by BACOLOR on that one on the set for the second quarter. Take a look at the leading scores for both squads. For BACOLOR, Pangilinan with 9 points, Manlutak with 6, Manisa with 5, all in the second quarter. For APALIT, Palit scoring, Masibak, Danting, and Makapagal all scoring 6 points. So anything can happen. Third quarter coming up in a moment. You're still watching Delta Cup. Okay, we are moments away to start this second half. At ang APALIT ay lamang-lamang 4 na puntos. Okay, bigyan natin daan yung mga greetings. Shout out kay Ty Garcia Bumangon. Also kay Justin Sikat. Kay Jesui and Bonifacio. We also have Arturo Buwan. Kaya natin sabi niya, BACOLOR go. We also have Siram All-Sir. Third quarter is underway. My name is Juan Paro, and this is Delta Cup 2023 6 playing day, game 2 of 6. Match at hand, APALIT versus BACOLOR. Jump shot by Silvestre, wala. BACOLOR keeping the games close. They're just down by 6. Austria. Ball strip. Fast break. Here it comes. And a bucket there by Garcia. (42-34). Manise from top of the key. Bigay niya kay De La Cruz. 8 on the shot clock. Pangilinan on the right wing. Down to 5 on the shot clock. They need to put it up. 1 second. Nako! Ubos ang shot clock. It's a violation. Nagtatanong si Charito Palo, anong makakalaban daw ng Guagua? Kasi up next sila. Yes, sagutin natin ang tanong na yan. Medyo nakakitindi ako ng konting Kapampangan niya. I'll answer that question right now. Now, the game up next, as we see a bucket there by Isaac Danting. Guagua will face Minalin. Okay, to answer that question, Minalin po ang makakalaban ng Guagua. Okay? Tuloy tayo sa laban. Jumper is good for Manise. He has 7 points, 5 in the first half. Yun, sinigot na ni L.A. Sado. Next game na po. Ang makakalaban is Minalin. So mga nagtatanong, Sabi ni Lionel, go idol Chip Morante. Silvestre, Mr. Wild Thing of APALIT, misses. From point blank range, De La Cruz for a home run and one. So meron tayong foul. The lead is 7. It's 45 to 38. De La Cruz will be for the 3-point play opportunity. Still a 38 to 45. Mintis De La Cruz sa kanyang free throw. Silvestre, nako, Makapagal says, akin na to. I'll take care of business on the boards. Pag medyo inaala si Silvestre, nandun si Makapagal to the rescue. Makapagal for the bonus free throw. Yes. Steady presence, Makapagal. It's hard to choose between him and Danting because both of them are streaky defenders and hustlers. Para sa APALIT, they have now a double-digit spread, 48 to 38. Swinging the ball from left to right. Yan ang BACOLOR. Kailangan nila ng more ball and play movement. Manise. It is gonna be traveling. 48 to 38. 7.5 remaining. Third quarter action. Masibak. Sinipagan. Yan ang masipag. Masibak. 11-point lead, APALIT 50 to 39. So far, top scores for APALIT, it's between Danting and Makapagal. De La Cruz. Corner flip. Nothing. Makapagal soars high with the board, the pitch. Masibag catches it against 3 defenders. Masibag escapes. And now a 7-0 run by APALIT on the last 2.5 minutes. 52 to 39. This is their biggest lead. 13 points. Austria. De La Cruz right down the base. Tip Sidu. That's too deep. Put back by Manise. He has 9 points. Crossover. Danting for 3. Kaboom! 55 to 41. Umiinit na ang APALIT kaya talagang I love it, APALIT. 12-second shot clock for BACOLOR. Manise, 11 points. Great find, great move inside. Yun o, sabi ni Carlos Danting, bang bang o. Proud na proud si Airpods. Carlos Danting is his son is Isaac Danting playing. 5:47 third quarter. Manise on a scoring bench that time. A heat check, missed the layup. Sabi ni Eric Cabrera, shout out kay Manuel Gadi. Danting from 25. Short, he gets it right back. Sidestep, hang time, draws contact, but there's no call. He missed the shot. Manise lost it. Oh, he gets a pass. What a play by Manise. Paano na eh. Pababa na, naipasa pa rin. (55 to 45), 10-point APALIT lead. 5 minutes remaining in the third. Jumper, wala. Rebound, Austria. No rebounders there for APALIT. The lob pass. Safety tap there by Silvestre. Garcia drops it up. Isaac Danting fakes. It's gonna be a traveling. 55 to 45. Pumuna si Isaac Danting. So far, he's been productive. Likewise, Silvestre regained his form after a lackluster first quarter. Nandito na si Alan Trinidad in attendance. Probably. 4:37 remaining. Here's the drive and draw. Manise from the corner. Bingo! 12 points, Manise. 5 in the second. And suddenly 7 in this quarter. Total of 12. Sabi ni Jules Carlo, pa-shoutout. Makapagal. When he's wide open underneath, it's hard to stop. So, palitan to. Makapagal and Danting. Hirap piliin kung manalo nga palit. Pero itong si Manisi, umuusbong ang kanyang scoring. 10 to shoot. Pangilinan. Long 3 from 30 feet. Hindi magpapatalo si Pangilinan. He's now back on the top score. 15 points. Pangilinan. 57-51. Pass is a little bit wayward. Lapida with an easy steal. And that De La Cruz home run gives them just a 4-point winning spell. 6-7 to nothing run by BACOLOR. And APALIT needs this timeout. Back to live action, 4-point lead para sa APALIT. 7-0 run there by BACOLOR. Courtesy of Manise and Pangilinan collaborating each other. Tingnan natin kung ano magiging sagot. So this game is go on spurts, and this time they break the spurt. BACOLOR has a turnover there after the basket by the point guard of APALIT. Here it comes. With this guy on the floor, passing it to Montalvo, like quarter court 3, offline. Pero nakuha ng point guard. There's the runner. Didn't get it. Garcia missed this. Great safety tap there. Mamuyak has it. There, dribble drive. Didn't drop. 2 free throws there for Montalvo. It's going to be a foul on Pangilinan. Free throws time. Makes the first. Yun, sabi ni Fernando Jimenez. Galingan nawa. Palit. Love it. And Jason Makapagal. Sabi niya, nice John Khaled Makapagal. Sabi ni Silam Orstel. Pa-shoutout po. Substitution now for Palit. And Makapagal will take a rest. Look at the sticky defense there for Pangilinan. Binibigyan ng bola. 2:50 to go. The lead is 8 for APALIT. Manise. He checked that time. Gets it right back. There's a foul from the backcourt. It's a foul on probably Puno. Foul time on a shot clock with 2 minutes and 37 remaining. The lead is 8 points. Nice drive and drop. Rejected. Great timed block for APALIT. There's the inbound. And a steal. Bounce pass. And he bobbled up. It's going to be traveling. (61-53). 2.24 remaining in the third. Lapires says, dahan-dahan muna tayo. Ingat tayo. Manisa with a fake. Drives, left-handed. Draws a foul. Napaka-mautak naman siya. Alam niyang papalpal siya sa kanan eh. Kinaliwa niya to ensure that he will draw contact, and he did. He will take 2 free throws for Manise. Again, salamat sa ating tumataas na viewership natin. 932 viewers now currently watching live on PIO and SLA. Sinig Liga Asia, Manisa makes the first. Two free throws made by Manise. He has a total of 14 points. Second top scorer for BACOLOR. 3-ball! It's a 3-ball by Garcia, the littlest guy on the floor. Yung stroke ni Garcia parang pinagsamang Ricky Brown tsaka ni Jimmy Alapa. Napakagandang stroke ng batang to. Under 2 minutes remaining, 1 minute and 41, 8 on the shot clock. Naku, may foul sa ilalim. And good thing, APALIT only in their 14th foul in this quarter. Kanina, both teams nagka-problema sila sa foul. Ang dami nilang foul na ibigay. On both, ha? 2 team fouls for BACOLOR, 14 fouls for APALIT. So APALIT, they have no more fouls to give. They need to play tight defense, or else it will be free throws for BACOLOR. Almost a ball hanging violation. Pangilinan with on the shot clock. Lets it fly. No. Fast break. The drop. And no conversion. Tipping again. I sack that thing. One minute and 5. The lead is 11. Shot will work. It's a good pass. 55 seconds. 57-66. APALIT up by 9 points. From the corner. 10 to shoot. Baseline. Isaac Danteng. Pocket is picked. Lapira steal. De La Cruz against 2 defenders. Run out of space. Luckily, they will have their turf possession for BACOLOR. Oh, smothering block. .4 seconds. 17-second shot clock. Pangilinan inbounding. Manise left corner. And a foul given up. That will be penalty situation for APALIT. 2 free throws for Manise as a result. So, dalawang free throws yung tira ni Manise. First free throw is good for Manise. Second bounces out. 5-second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. Isaac Danteng, sidestep. That's a risky pass. Last shot time for BACOLOR, but Garcia almost stole that ball. Inside track. Rims out. Manise keeps it alive. Block. 5 seconds remaining on the game. On the third. It's a foul. Give it up. And they can't afford a foul. De La Cruz. Leaving APALIT 2.2 seconds. This is just a side court throw-in.
Kamaya will inbound for APALIT. 2.2 seconds, 66-58. 8-point lead. One dribble and a shoot. An attempt. Here it comes. Shot. Yes! Yes! Direct, can we replay the last shot? Can we replay the last shot? I think that shot will count. Let's see that again. Look at the clock on the top of the screen. Dante, he put it up, point three, that's counted. Shot will count. Wow. Isaac Danting exemplifies shooting prowess, 69-58. That's the end of third. Fourth quarter coming up this Delta Cup. We end the third quarter with a dazzling buzzer beater by Isaac Danting as we start this fourth quarter. At ito'y game 2 of 6 nating Delta Cup. My name is Juan Palo. Fourth quarter na po tayo. APALIT 69, BACOLOR 58. Eto na si Pangilinan. Hindi nakasagot, kapos ang kanyang tira. And the ball goes to APALIT. Isaac Danting sees daylight! And he's one of the prime candidates of the best play of the ball game. Drop pass. Pangilinan couldn't convert. Danting hustling, bustling. And here comes Wisely, settle down. Danting fakes. Wraparound pass to Garcia. Here to shoot. Back to Danting, 25-footer, nothing. Reverse is no good for Maglalang. Here's Pangilinan. Penetrates, one-handed and score. Mabas odds ang abante ng APALIT, 71-60. Danting on the outside. Goes inside. He turns the ball over. And on the other end, BACOLOR throws it away. The 11-point edge for APALIT. This lead is now safe. BACOLOR can come back at any time if they want to. They increase their intensity, but hey, they leave Isaac Danting open and BACOLOR makes them pay. And Isaac Danting, just like that, he scored the last 10 points. And if that trend continues, he might be unanimously voted as best player because of his sterling second half performance. We have a foul, I believe, on Danting, but he's away from foul trouble at that. Natitira na 2 free throws si Pangilinan. Ayun, nagpapa-shoutout si Roxy Capulong, Dindo Payumo, Ray Rock and Roll, Bay Morata. Salamat sa panonood. Pangilinan has been struggling in the free throw line at late. And with 2 minutes gone by the fourth quarter, APALIT wants to seize control of this quarter. The drop. Perez outside sniping. Isaac Danting can't fall into place on that 3-point attempt from the corner. Pangilinan fast break. He was walloped. It's going to be a foul. So for Pangilinan to start the uprising somewhat for BACOLOR, they need to score free throws and they need to force APALIT into the consecutive turnovers. Ano yun eh? Naging laban dito sa second half, spurts eh. Nung first half, medyo physical. Ngayon, puro spurts na, puro rat-rata na. Danting momentarily open and wisely put up a shot against a much taller Pangilinan, and Pangilinan baited to it, and he gives up a foul. So hindi lang pala athletic itong si Isaac Danting, mautak pa. Hinutakan. And Isaac will shoot 2 free throws. By the way, I see in the trampoline of this BREN Convention Center that at the start of the year, I think a couple of days ago, before Gov Delta had a wet convocation, he gives up 5,000 peso cash and some gift items for displaced workers of the province of Pampanga. What a nice gesture. Who else but our Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Enjoy, sir, for that vacation. 3-point shot. Yes, Dizon joins the scoring fray at 17 na ang abante ng APALIT, 79-62. Drop pass. Here's the shot from 3-point region. Wala. And suddenly BACOLOR has lost its touch from the outside. Wise thing for Isaac to do is to chew up the clock. Baseline. Nasahan ng pintuan. Last touch by Manlutak, but the shot clock is now at 8 seconds. All right, we have a timeout by BACOLOR. They're down by 17, 79-62. Back to live action. 8 seconds on the shot clock na lang para sa APALIT to map of the play. Isaac Danting moves out. Shot clock is 5. Will make his move. Here it comes. Here's the attempt. The runner banks it out. Manise clears the board against 3 defenders. And there's going to be a foul against APALIT. That's Maglalan's foul. Oh, nagpapashoutout si Dindo Payumo kay Secretary Glenn Danting. Hello, sir. Kaya pala, napaka-proud sa kanyang anak. 17 to shoot. Corner flip. Pangilinan can't buy a basket. May lead yung ring ng sa BACOLOR. Those are open shots and they keep on missing. Even Manises' point blank range didn't pay off. Finally, after 3 straight misses, Pangilinan scores on a semi-hook. Jesse Daiwit, it's a birthday today. Happy birthday sa player ng APALIT, Jesse Daiwit. Happy birthday to you. 79 to 64. APALIT 15 points. That time they turn the ball over. Fast break opportunity. It will be a basket. Maglutang sees it. The lead is now Baker's dozen. 79-66. Time down to 5 minutes and 29. Approaching the halfway house of the fourth and final quarter. Crossover. Isaac Danting, short, Dizon, couldn't get to it. Save it to the right man. Wraparound pass. It doesn't drop. Could have been a great pass there by Daiwit. Oh, rather than Ting. 3-point shot, Pangilinan. That's only his second triple V in the entire second half. So, good thing tatawag ang APALIT ng timeout to stop the momentum. The lead is 10, 79-69. With 4 minutes and 57 seconds remaining, all APALIT can do is to chew up the clock and continue to have its scoring presence from all conceivable angles. The 3-ball doesn't drop. That's offline. The 3-point shot by Montalvo. The lead is just 10. Montalvo almost steals it. Oh, that's a great defensive scheme by the orange shirts of APALIT. All right, APALIT will slow down. They have a 10-point lead. They need to take care of that basketball. The screen by Perez. Masibak. Swinging around. Inside incursion. Oh, why this shot clock is reset? I don't know about that. And it is a traveling by Montalvo. Traveling. .410 remaining in the fourth. Manlutang. The rest of the BACOLOR. Still enough time to come back. This is just a 10-point game. Pangilinan 3. Bucket! 7-point game. 79-72. Three and a half minutes remaining. Baseline. Montalvo. Stolen. Manlutak. Lays it in. The lead is just 5. So APALIT should not be overconfident at all. Layup missed by Montalvo, but Manlutak will be called for the foul. So, who else that can save the day for APALIT is this guy who just checked in, Isaac Danting, who has been a magnificent ball game, especially the second half. He can take the team again to a double-digit spread. Slowly but surely, BACOLOR is coming back. And with 2:58 remaining, 2 minutes and 58 remaining. Bakit morning? Isaac for three. Kaboom! Instant offense. Immediately made his presence felt. 8-point game. 14-second shot clock. 3-point shot. Wala. And look at the party. Whenever you see Isaac Danting, take immerse control. 5-second shot clock. 3-point shot. No. Manise has been the catalyst, and also Pangilinan. Pangilinan 3. No. We're down to the last 2 minutes. Here's Isaac for the Hampton. Nice pass. Foul. Oh, almost made it. We'll take 2 shots. Two free throws. Okay, also let me greet on the air is Carlo Pacheco. 2 minutes and 2 remaining in the first, on the fourth and final quarter, 83-74. APALIT up by 9. Masibag completes the second free throw. We're down to the last 2 minutes. Parang si Isaac dati, parang Captain Isaac, eh, no? Here I come to save the day. Pangilinan lost his touch. And APALIT in the cruise control. Isaac Danting has been that catalyst all game long. Danting says, settle down tayo. We're gonna execute this. Dazzling moves, bang. Shot will almost made it. Whew. A minute and 35. There are 14 seconds to shoot. Oh, Garcia will be called for traveling. Minute and a half remaining. Manise. De La Cruz. Double team. There's a foul. Second shot clock now. It's a penalty situation for both teams. As De La Cruz misses the free throw, the lead is 10. Mathematically possible, but they need to defend well. That will not help. Yung mga mintis na free throws. APALIT is on the verge of winning. They have a double-digit spread. Remember, Tracy Grady scored 13 points in 33 seconds. They just need to impose their will. Montalvo. Touch passing. Nice play. It's a great defensive stance by De La Cruz. Stripped by Pangilinan. Inside track on a fast break. They have no numbers. Double team. Outside. Three-pointer. No. Manise. Stick back. He's the only guy can score. As a consolation. The lead is 8. 45 seconds. Isaac Danting dancing into trouble against 4 defenders. He's a very, very clever, smart player, ha? 35 seconds. Patapos na tayo sa laro. Looks like APALIT might get this win. And only 2 seconds to go on the shot clock. 2-second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. Best player of the ball game, no doubt. Walang kaduda-duda, Isaac Danting. Coming up next, after this game, we're gonna have GUAO versus Minalin. Layup is good. 18.8 seconds. 6-point game, still possible, but they need to... Oh! Nakagawa ba? Hindi. Danting, oy! Nakakuha. Hindi nakuha. Sinipa na ni Coach Leo. Okay, tatawag tayo ng time under 10.6, but we're not gonna take a break. We're gonna hang on to the air. Because let me explain to you, our next game will be GUAO versus Minalin. After that, we're gonna have Santo Tomas versus Candaba. Next game will be San Simon, Lubao, and Masantol versus Macabebe. Those are the 6 games for today sa ating Delta Cup. Well, 6-point game. Pag makago dito ang BACOLOR, pwede pa yan. But if not, BACOLOR needs to foul to stop the clock. So that's the only consolation at hand here. .6. So bola po ng BACOLOR. They need to score immediately. Upon receive the ball, take a shot, 3-point shot, because this is a 2-possession game, 84-76. Too much dribble will kill them, and that takes the cake. Pangalinan's traveling. Tatawag pa ang timeout ng APALIT, pero we're not gonna take the break. We're gonna not turn you over because explain ko lamang sa inyo. Simultaneous mamaya din yung laro ng Delta Cup sa Sinag Liga Asia. Yung mga laro mamaya starting at 2 o'clock. Inform namin sa ating mga viewers, wala po tayong simulcast sa Sinag Liga Asia starting at 2. The Sinag Liga Asia will only cover 3 games because the next games will be Sinag Liga Asia for the quarterfinals sa One Arena sa Pampanga. So starting game 4 to 6, all the games will be live at the Pampanga Information Office. Wala po tayong simulcast sa Sinag Liga Asia on games 4 and 5 6 to give way for the Sinag Liga Asia quarterfinals at One Arena Pampanga. So just to let you know, para sa ating mga Kapampangan viewers natin. So starting game 4 mamaya, 5 and 6, isang channel muna tayo. Pampanga PIO. Ganun din po bukas. Quarterfinal matchup din yan. Ngayon, ang kailangan gawin ng APALIT dito, receive the ball and BACOLOR will foul immediately. If BACOLOR steals it, they need to shoot a 3 and make it. Eto na. Instant foul, give it up by Pangilinan. 2 free throws para kay Perez. This is for icing on the cake. But despite the miss, time is not on the side of BACOLOR, 6.2 seconds. Gagamit na ng last time ng BACOLOR. We'll hang on to the air. It is now 84-79. 6.2 seconds. Again, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to our Facebook pages of Pampanga PIO, Pampanga Information Office, and ganyan din ang Sinag Liga Asia. At ito mga guys sa likod, handang-handa na. Ayan, GUAO is up next. Kakalaban nila Minalin.
So far, Guagua is undefeated. 3 wins, no loss. Ang Guagua. Take note of that. So this will be the last play for BACOLOR. Should they fail, the game is over. Should succeed, they need to foul immediately. 2 possession game with 6.2. Time is not on the side of BACOLOR. They need to act immediately. Pangilinan 3. Air ball. That's it. 1.4 seconds possession for APALIT, and this might be the final score. There you go. Final score, BACOLOR 78, APALIT 85. We'll be right back. I'll interview our best player of the ballgame, none other than Isaac Dente.
Sound check, sound check. To 78 ang final score. Nanalo ang APALIT laban sa BACOLOR. Of course, ang best player of the ballgame, Mr. Trampoline. Talon ng talon. Isaac Dante. Isaac, tatanong ko lang. No? Nung first quarter, kayo ni kapag talon kayo ng talon sa rebound, nakakuha niyo yung intensity. Pero nung nasa bench ka, laging nagre-relax ang APALIT. Ba't ganon?
Siguro kailangan lang nila ng ng guidance pa para makuha yung kumpiyansa nila sa sarili nila. At tulad sabi ni Coach, bumawi na talaga kami sa depensa namin kaya naka-bounce back naman.
At itong depensa na to, kapag makakaharap niyo yung mga malalaking physical na teams kasi kulang kayo sa sentro, how can you compensate that moving forward?
Defense is the key to better offense. Pero kailangan execute lang namin ng maayos yung mga offense namin para kahit paano tumatama kami.
Siyempre si Airpods manonood. Of course, nandiyan ang camera. Pwede ka naman pasalamat ng kumate. Go ahead.
Salamat nga po pala sa lahat ng nanonood ngayon at sa mga taga-Bigolot, mga taga-APALIT, sa player nanonood po at sa nanay ko. Thank you po sa inyo lahat. And shoutout daw po kay Yuri Masimak.
Okay, congratulations Isaac Dante, best player of the ballgame. Coming up next, it's gonna be Minalin versus Guagua. We're now on halfway house of this Saturday's Delta Cup.